Hello everyone, welcome once again. I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1080 Ti. This is an overclocked edition. They call it a gaming overclock edition. And let's have a look. The box is pretty decent, nothing special, so let's unwrap it. Comes in a nice carton box with a Gigabyte logo. Over here you probably have the box for all the information. But what we are here for is this unit. Let's unwrap it. One moment. It comes with a nice white color, some orange details, over here the slot protection. So they did a great job with packing it. On the top you see some lights over here, and this is especially for the LED RGB light coloring. So you can connect it and it has a nice feature. I think it's overall looking nice. Hopefully it fits in my PC. The fans are also very nice. If I have to look, it is a 11 gigabyte memory. So it doesn't come with a backplate actually, but for me that's fine. On this side we have the connectors. So we have a DVI slot, HDMI and some digital ports as well. It takes up 2 slots, as you can see over here. 2 slots in your PC, so be aware. And also take notice of the length of this video card, because it's pretty big. So in this box, it feels really light. So it's a big box, but it comes with basically nothing. So here you have the Gigabyte driver CD and some quick start. So that's it for now for the unboxing. Please watch all my other videos as I'm doing a fully PC build. So if you have some questions, please ask me, and hopefully I can come back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thank you for watching, and see you soon.